I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Temperatures drop through the 70s for high school football this evening. Isolated non-severe thunderstorms are possible for areas along and west of a line from Arapahoe to Greeley after midnight. Our daytime highs stay in the mid-80s to the low 90s for tomorrow as a ridge of high pressure builds up from the desert southwest to the plains. As a cold front reaches I-80 late tomorrow afternoon, thunderstorms are possible along the leading edge of that front. Widespread severe weather is unlikely, but there is a marginal risk of severe weather for central and southwestern Nebraska, along with western Kansas, late in the afternoon through the evening. The main concerns are quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60. Off and on thunderstorms are likely for tomorrow night through Sunday night, with most areas receiving beneficial rainfall. Rain chances may linger into Monday. In behind the front, our daytime highs cool to the mid-60s to the mid-70s for Sunday, all the way through Thursday. A few more thunderstorms are possible Tuesday night through Thursday, with late-day thunderstorms tracking in from the west. Temperatures trend much warmer by the end of next week. The warmer trend reflected in the long-term forecast. Temperatures the middle to late part of next week in Nebraska and Kansas, likely to be seasonal to slightly cooler than normal. Next weekend through September 21st, Nebraska and northern Kansas temperatures trend warmer than normal, while the rest of Kansas sees seasonal temperatures. By that time in central Nebraska, our daytime highs are typically in the mid-70s with overnight lows on average in the upper 40s. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall for Wednesday through September 21st predicted to be near normal to slightly above normal. Key weather factors driving the markets include mild weather in the Corn Belt and heavier rain for the U.S. plains and southern Brazil. Starting today across the northern plains, a cold front diving south in the nation's midsection triggers rain and thunderstorms. This weekend, the focus for meaningful rain tracks southward with locally heavy rain of 1 to 3 inches possible across the central and southern plains. Only light rain falls the next 5 days in the Mississippi Valley. With crops maturing in the plains and Midwest, the percentage that can take advantage of the late rains is dwindling. Much cooler air overspreads most of the U.S., and any lingering heat early next week is limited to the southern U.S. In southern Brazil, heavy rain continues through tomorrow and is followed by more rain next week. Recent heavy rains in southern Brazil are causing flooding, which may damage wheat and delay the remaining second crop corn harvest. The central and southern Brazil rains, though, are keeping soil moisture high for early planting of corn and soybeans. Eastern areas of the Black Sea region can expect limited rain before rising temperatures next week. Maturing corn and sunflowers in the Black Sea region are finding favorable conditions, while immature crops are finishing out the year in poorer condition. Winter wheat in the Black Sea region could use more rainfall for establishment and may have to wait until late next week. With a check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.